Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use file tag thread. File tagging involves attaching descriptive keywords to your digital documents, making them much easier to find and categorize. This method allows you to organize files beyond traditional folder structures. Threading then takes this a step further, linking related documents or versions together, creating a clear, chronological sequence or a connected discussion around a central topic. It's a powerful way to manage complex information. To begin, select the file you wish to tag and open its Properties or Information panel. Locate the specific field for adding tags. Here, you can type in descriptive keywords. For instance, you might add Project Alpha or Meeting Notes. If you need to apply several tags, simply separate them with a comma or a semicolon. This simple step significantly enhances your file's discoverability and organization. For advanced organization, create a thread by applying a unique common tag to a series of related files, like Project X version 1 and Project X version 2. This links them conceptually. When searching, combine tags such as marketing and report to narrow down results. Many systems allow filtering by multiple tags simultaneously, enabling you to pinpoint exactly what you need from hundreds of documents in just a few seconds. To maximize efficiency, always maintain consistent tag naming conventions. For example, always use marketing instead of sometimes MKTG. Regularly review your tag library, perhaps once every 3 months, to remove outdated tags and add new ones. Also, consider implementing hierarchical tags like Project/Phase 1 to create both broad and specific categories, making your system robust and easy to navigate for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.